everyone! Today we're going to make ice cream using these colorful ice cream molds and Play-Doh.
Wow!
Alright, let's start with the first ice cream. I'll use this rectangular ice cream mold. It's blue. What color Play-Doh should we use with this mold? Of course, red. Add a blue stick. Let's see the result. A smooth and creamy strawberry ice cream pop is ready. For the next popsicle, we'll use this red mold. Red. I'll choose a chocolate-colored Play-Doh. Brown. Add a pink stick. Let's leave it here and continue with this yellow mold. Yellow. Pink Play-Doh. Pink. I'll choose the turquoise one. Turquoise. We need a yellow stick in the middle. Blue, yellow. We still have one more mold left. Pink. This stick is pink too. One, two, three, and four. Goodbye and see you next time.